hold you as a man of honor. I'm glad to know you simply as a friend. You've always taken time to be my brother, and I'll be standing by you in the end. But I will never put you on a pedestal. I thank the Lord for everything you do, and I'll be there to pray for you and for the ones you love, and I believe that He will finish all He started in you. I will be an open door that you can count on anywhere you are, anywhere you've been. I will be an honest heart you can depend on. I will be a faithful friend.
I am one of many whose path has been made clearer by the light you carried faithfully as a warrior and a child. And God has used you greatly to encourage and inspire. And you've remained a true friend all the while. So I will never put you on a pedestal, 'cause we both know that the glory is the Lord's. And I'll be there to pray that He will keep you by His grace. And I'll always remind you to be seeking His face. And I will be an open door that you can count on anywhere you are, anywhere you've been. I will be an honest heart you can depend on. I will be your faithful friend.
Should it ever come your time to mourn,